There comes a day in every person's life when they finally realize that nothing outside of them has been holding them back. Not their family, not their enemies, not luck. The greatest obstacle has been the mind they refused to discipline. Most people imagine that life changes in one dramatic moment. They expect a miracle, a perfect opportunity, or a life-changing event that suddenly transforms everything. But life rarely works that way. A strong life is built in silence. One disciplined morning, one difficult decision, one promise kept when nobody is watching. These tiny moments seem meaningless at first, but over time, they become the foundation of an extraordinary life. The ancient Stoics understood this truth better than anyone. Marcus Aurelius ruled an empire, yet every evening he reminded himself that the greatest kingdom he would ever govern was not Rome. It was his own mind. Because if your mind is ruled by fear, comfort, anger, or distraction, it doesn't matter how much money you earn or how successful you appear. You remain a prisoner. Today, we begin with the first law. Law 1. Guard the gate of your mind. Imagine your mind as a great city. Every thought that enters is like a visitor asking permission to stay. Most people never question who they allow inside. Fear enters. Comparison enters. Negativity enters. Soon, those visitors become permanent residents. Without realizing it, they begin making decisions for you. The Stoics believed that every action begins with a thought. Control the thought, and you influence the action. Lose control of the thought, and eventually you lose control of your life. This is why your first responsibility every morning is not checking your phone. It is checking your mind. Ask yourself, what kind of person will rule my thoughts today? Will it be discipline or distraction? Will it be courage or comfort? Every answer shapes your future long before your actions do. Law 2. Build strength in silence. The modern world fears silence. Every empty second is filled with notifications, videos, opinions, and endless noise. But silence is where clarity is born. Seneca often withdrew from unnecessary noise because he knew a distracted mind cannot hear wisdom. Spend just a few quiet minutes each day without your phone, without music, without conversation. Simply observe your thoughts. At first, it feels uncomfortable. Then, something remarkable happens. The noise begins to settle. You stop reacting to every emotion. Instead, you begin understanding it. And the moment you understand your own mind, you stop becoming its victim. That is where real freedom begins. In the next part, we will discover why trying to control everything destroys inner peace, and how the Stoics built an unshakable inner fortress that no hardship could ever break. Most people spend their lives fighting the wrong battles. They try to control how others see them. They worry about tomorrow before today is even finished. They replay yesterday's mistakes as if the past can somehow be rewritten. The result is predictable. Their energy disappears long before the real challenge even begins. The Stoics refused to live this way. Law 3. Build your inner fortress. Imagine a castle standing on a mountain during a violent storm. The wind screams, rain crashes against the walls, lightning shakes the sky. But inside the fortress, the fire continues to burn. That is how your mind should become. Marcus Aurelius reminded himself that outside events have no power unless we allow them to control our judgment. People may insult you, life may disappoint you, plans may fail, but none of these events can define your character unless you hand them permission. Your greatest protection is not avoiding problems. It is becoming the kind of person who remains steady when problems arrive. Every difficult experience is an opportunity to strengthen the walls of your inner fortress. The storm is temporary. Character is permanent. Law 4. Direct your attention with purpose. Attention is the most valuable resource you own. Where your attention goes, your life follows. Spend every day feeding fear, and fear becomes your reality. Spend every day feeding discipline, and discipline slowly becomes your identity. The world competes for your attention every minute. Advertisements want it. Social media wants it. Negative people want it. But very few things actually deserve it. Ask yourself before giving your attention away, will this make me stronger tomorrow? If the answer is no, protect your focus. Every minute you reclaim is another brick added to the future you are building. The strongest people are not those who know the most. They are those who protect their attention the best. Law 5. Remove before you add. Most people believe success comes from adding more. More books, more courses, more motivation, more advice. But wisdom often begins with subtraction. Remove one toxic habit. Remove one excuse. Remove one unnecessary distraction. Remove one relationship that constantly steals your peace. Every unnecessary burden you carry takes energy away from the person you are trying to become. A sculptor creates a masterpiece by removing stone, not by adding it. Your character is built the same way. Cut away what weakens you. Protect what strengthens you. Little by little, the person hidden beneath years of distraction finally begins to appear. And once you remove what no longer belongs in your life, you become ready for the next lesson. Because the next law teaches why comfort is often the greatest enemy of greatness, and why voluntary hardship creates unbreakable strength. There is a silent enemy that has defeated more people than failure ever could. Its name is comfort. Comfort feels harmless. It whispers, "Skip today's workout, start tomorrow. You've already done enough." Day after day, those whispers become habits, and those habits slowly shape an ordinary life. The Stoics saw comfort differently. They believed that a man who always chooses the easiest path slowly loses the strength to walk the difficult one. Law 6. Choose hardship before life chooses it for you. Seneca, despite his wealth, sometimes lived as if he had nothing. He ate simple meals, wore ordinary clothes, and willingly accepted discomfort. Not because suffering was noble, but because dependence on comfort was dangerous. When you willingly do difficult things, your mind becomes harder to break. Wake up earlier than necessary. Finish the workout when your body wants to quit. Speak the truth even when it feels uncomfortable. Each small act of discipline strengthens your character. Life will eventually test everyone. The question is simple. Will hardship introduce you to weakness or reveal the strength you have already built? Law 7. Become the person you admire. Many people say, "I want to become disciplined," but their daily actions tell a different story. Real change begins when discipline stops being a goal and becomes part of your identity. Instead of asking, what do I feel like doing today? Ask, what would the strongest version of myself do right now? That single question changes everything, because identity guides behavior. A person who sees themselves as responsible doesn't wait for motivation. A person who sees themselves as honest doesn't search for excuses. Your future is not built by occasional effort. It is built by the identity you reinforce every single day. Every decision is casting a vote for the person you are becoming. Choose wisely. Law 8. Remember that time is limited. The Stoics practiced a powerful idea called memento mori. Remember that you will die. Not to create fear, but to create urgency. One day this conversation will end. One day your opportunities will end. One day your final sunrise will arrive. When you truly understand this, small arguments lose their importance. Fear loses much of its power. Procrastination becomes harder to justify. You stop asking, "What if I fail?" and begin asking, "What if I never try?" A meaningful life isn't measured by how long you live. It is measured by how intentionally you use the time you are given. In the final part, we will uncover the last 2 Stoic laws that transform knowledge into lasting character, and why consistency is the force that separates ordinary people from extraordinary lives. Knowledge alone has never changed a life. Millions of people know what they should do. Very few actually do it. That is why the final 2 Stoic laws matter more than everything you've heard so far. Law 9. Act before fear grows. Fear becomes stronger the longer you negotiate with it. Think about every important decision you've delayed. The book you wanted to write, the business you dreamed of starting, the apology you should have given, the healthy habit you promised would begin next Monday. Every day of delay quietly strengthens doubt. The Stoics believed that courage is not the absence of fear. It is movement despite fear. Action creates confidence. Waiting creates anxiety. The first step rarely feels comfortable, but every great journey in history began with someone taking one imperfect step instead of waiting for the perfect moment. Do not ask yourself, "Am I ready?" Ask yourself, "What small action can I take today?" Small actions, repeated consistently, reshape entire lives. Law 10. Let consistency become your superpower. People admire dramatic transformations, but real transformation is usually invisible. It happens in ordinary mornings, quiet evenings, daily routines, choices that nobody applauds. A river doesn't carve through stone because it is stronger than the rock. It succeeds because it never stops flowing. Your discipline should work the same way. One good decision will not change your life. 100 good decisions might. 1,000 certainly will. Do not chase perfection. Chase repetition. Win today. Wake up tomorrow and win again. Some days your progress will be obvious. Other days, it will feel like nothing is happening. Keep going anyway. Roots grow underground long before anyone sees the tree. Character develops the same way. Long before the world notices your success, your habits are quietly creating it. So, before this video ends, ask yourself one final question. Which of these 10 laws challenged you the most? The answer reveals the area of your life that needs your attention first. Don't try to master all 10 laws in one day. Master one, then another, then another. Over time, these principles will stop feeling like lessons. They will become your way of living. Remember what the Stoics taught. You cannot control the weather. You cannot control other people. You cannot control the past. But you can always control your next decision. And that decision is powerful enough to begin changing your future today. Stand guard over your thoughts. Protect your attention. Strengthen your character. Choose purpose over comfort. Choose discipline over excuses. Because your greatest victory will never be over another person. It will always be over the weaker version of yourself. If this message inspired you, share in the comments which Stoic law will you start practicing today. And if you're committed to building an unshakable mind, subscribe and continue this journey with us. Until next time, stay calm, stay disciplined, and remember, the strongest kingdom you will ever rule is the one inside your own mind.